Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin, wabihi nasta'in, wa ala umurid dunya waddin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin, sayyidina wa maulana Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain. Amma ba'du. The honorable judge and all the distinguished audience who are full of joy. Let me introduce myself. My name is Keiza Nindita Soleluna from Mambaul Huda Islamic Boarding School. First of all, let us give thanks to Allah the Almighty for His blessing and guidance that we can gather here today. On this occasion, I would like to deliver a speech with the theme Safeguarding Independent Indonesia Toward Global Civilization. Ladies and gentlemen, independence is not the final goal, but the beginning of a long journey. 80 years ago, our founding father proclaimed independence, giving us freedom and dignity as a nation. Yet, their message was clear: independence must be safeguarded, strengthened, and directed toward the prosperity of the people. In this modern era, the challenge of Indonesia is not only to defend independence from colonization, but also to guard it from poverty, ignorance, corruption, and division. To move forward, Indonesia must stand with dignity among the nations of the world. Ladies and gentlemen, the Holy Quran also reminds us in Surah Al-Hujurat verse 13. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhan nasu, inna khalaqnakum min dzakarin wa untha wa ja'alnakum syu'uban wa qabaila lita'arafu. Inna akramakum indallahi atqakum. Innallaha alimun khabir. O mankind, indeed we created you male and female and made you peoples and tribes that you might know one another. Indeed, the most noble of you in the sight of Allah is the most righteous of you. Indeed, Allah is all-knowing and all-aware. This verse teaches us that unity in diversity is Allah's will, and that the true greatness of a nation comes from righteousness and mutual respect. To achieve global civilization, Indonesia must strengthen three pillars. First, education and knowledge. An advanced nation is built by smart, creative, and innovative generation. Through education, we are not only preparing workers, but leaders of the future who are able to compete globally. Second, unity in diversity. Indonesia is blessed with thousands of islands, hundreds of ethnicities, and various religions. This diversity is not a weakness, but a strength. By upholding tolerance, cooperation, and togetherness, Indonesia will show the world that unity is the key to civilization. Third, technology and innovation. In the era of digital revolution, Indonesia must not be left behind. We must develop renewable energy, digital economy, and technological independence. By mastering innovation, Indonesia can become a contributor toward progress, not just a consumer. Ladies and gentlemen, safeguarding independence is the responsibility of all of us. it is not only the duty of soldiers or leaders, but also of student, teacher, worker, and all citizens. With a spirit of patriotism and collaboration, Indonesia will not only stand strong, but also play an important role in building a just and peaceful global civilization. Ladies and gentlemen, let us continue the struggle our heroes, not with weapons, but with knowledge, unity, and innovation. May Indonesia always be blessed, and may our nation lead the way to a better global civilization. Thank you for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.